Here's a 1970 Chevrolet Nova. We just got in. It's now available to purchase. Beautiful black two-door. Powered by the original 350 underneath the hood. It is numbers matching. We do have pictures of the deck on it where you can see the VIN derivative. If you'd like to check out the still pictures of this car, check out the engine bay, that picture I'm talking about, see the underside, see the interior. You can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. As you can see, the paint has a very nice luster to it. There's maybe a few imperfections here and there in the hood, just from the age of the paint, but still very, very nice shape, great luster to it. Wouldn't be afraid to show this car at all. Take it to local cruise-ins or just out for that Sunday drive. As you can see, it's 4-speed on the floor, buckets up front. So 350 underneath the hood, original 350, with a 4-speed transmission in it, black vinyl top. Vinyl top is also in nice shape. We were just mentioning the still pictures. Take a look at the trunk. Trunk compartment in this car also finished off very nicely. A little tribute to Mr. Earnhardt on the trunk there that I'm sure could be taken off if you'd like to. We didn't mind the looks of it, so still on there. Bright work, wheels, trim pieces, all in very nice shape on this car. And just take a look down. I mean, the car is straight. You know how black cars, it's so easy to see if there's imperfections and flaws in the work, but take a look down that car, see how straight it is. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Also very nice running and sounding car. Goes down the road extremely nice. Nice little rumble to it. Odometer reads 10,226. See the dash. It's also in nice shape. Kind of tough to get it to turn out in this black interior in here. Air shifter. The center console there. This car does have seat belts. Headliner's in nice shape on this one. So nice with the door closed there. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nice little rumble out of that 350. It is up on the high idle a little bit too, just so you know. Engine's a little cold, hasn't been running. There we go, get it to drop down, you can hear it. So a 1970 Chevrolet Nova, the original 350 in it. You can hear a nice little rumble to it. Come up to the front, you can hear how smooth that engine actually does run. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726, or check out any of those still pictures we discussed at uniqueclassiccars.com.